We got a 500A, and we're going to need to wind the bobbin and thread this machine. So, there's a threading diagram inside the door of this machine, but there is not a threading or a bobbin winding diagram. So I'm going to wrap our bobbin winding button here as usual, and then there's a rolling bumper to keep the thread from tangling with another spool. And then our bobbin winder, our thread bumper. You push the bobbin over and it engages. And then these have clutch nut on the outside, flywheel on the inside. And this one drives the motor directly to the bobbin winding tire, so come on now. And apparently this clutch is not releasing properly, but that is the winder. So I'm going to double check that clutch and finish winding this bobbin. 500A, like the 401A, it's got a handy threading diagram in the cover here, so you can flip the door open. And we'll drop our bobbin in. This machine can use metal or plastic bobbins. It would have come with metal bobbins, but you can put plastic 66 bobbins in here. Bobbin case, we unwind counterclockwise, first slot, second slot, and then you can pull the thread through the hole there. And for our top thread, pick a spool pin, use our top guide here, thread goes around up under the spring, back, there, through the top here, and there, guide, guide, needle bar guide, and threads from front to back. Now this machine is one I'm fixing at work. You'll notice it's missing two guides there. Like the original, like the 401A, there used to be a pair of hooks here, and then there's the finger that comes out of the front of the machine and just sort of gives the thread a poke. That set of threading is something that used to be, Singer thought it was very important, but almost everybody skips that threading step. And obviously this machine, somebody broke those brackets off entirely, so you can't even do that threading step. And this machine, you can adjust your tensions to work without that step.